Now this is probably one of the easiest recipes you ever made. Flatbread with salami and cheese. Now to speed up the recipe we're gonna use shop-bought flatbread, but these still taste amazing. You can obviously make it yourself. And first we wanna go in with some mayonnaise. I made this myself, but you can use shop-bought if you're feeling lazy. Cheese, and in this situation I'm using some smoked cheddar. You can obviously go with mozzarella, you could go with regular cheese if you wish. And we're following up with a few thin slices of salami. You could go with bacon if you wish, you could go with ham, but this is what we're using today. And I also want to get in some jalapenos. Now fold it in half, and we want to bring this to life, and for this we're setting a pan on medium-high heat. And in my previous recipes, whenever we were toasting bread, we were using butter, and that's absolutely perfect, but we're gonna go differently this time, and we're gonna use mayonnaise, because this will give even better caramelization on the outside layer of our sandwich. And we're gonna cook these on both sides until the flatbread gets golden brown in color. Once off the heat, your cheese should be melted and you can dig right in. And subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this.